Welcome back to Preservation Tours with Lane and Kevin here at our Restoration Nation. Now, before you say anything, I know that I have on the same outfit that I had on last week. For you, it's been 7 days since you saw me, but for me, it's been 10 minutes since we did the last house tour. So apologies in advance for the repeat of the wardrobe. But do we have an incredible treat for you? Now we're going to be taking you on a walkthrough of a beautiful arts and crafts home that's for sale here in Little Rock, Arkansas. This is an absolute gem of a home with lots of treasures inside, and we can't wait to show you what it holds. The treasures on this house start before we even go in the door. Look at the beautiful beveled glass on the front door and side lights. Come on inside. Welcome into this quintessentially arts and crafts style home. You'll see around me the pieces and parts of a home that make the arts and crafts style so splendid. We have tiger oak throughout this entryway in the bishop's board, the coffering on the ceiling, the handrail and banister behind me. The current owners of this home have spent the last 7 years lovingly and painstakingly restoring this home back to its original splendor. We know that there's tiger oak in this entryway only because of that care and passion. When they bought this house, much of this tiger oak was painted white, and they spent the first great bulk of their restoration stripping back the paint to expose this beautiful natural wood, as is completely appropriate for the arts and crafts period. Around me, you'll see this beautiful bishop's board with its arts and crafts dental detailing. The handrail and banister behind me could not be more quintessentially arts and crafts. We have a beautiful set of French doors to the formal parlor, and then we have pocket doors to the family parlor. Come into this formal parlor and see how much of the beauty continues in here. Here we are in the formal parlor, and you'll see we're once again surrounded by this beautiful tiger oak. It continues all along the bishop's board and all of our beautiful window surrounds in these gorgeous bookcases that flank this amazing, massive, finished face brick fireplace. This entire room screams arts and crafts style. Well, who wouldn't want to walk through these gorgeous double French doors, almost 8 feet in height with their original wavy glass, into this absolutely stunning summer room off of the main living room. Well, is this not just the most delightful breakfast room you've ever seen? And the beautiful original woodwork continues into this space. In here, it's been painted to give it a light, bright, airy feel to complement this modern kitchen. While modern, it fits beautifully into the time period of the home. I love the island that they've added. Had custom made to go with the beautiful woodwork that we find in the entryway, living room, and in here in the breakfast nook. And I love the butcher block custom top on that island. What a delightful dining space in this home. You have gorgeous original windows with their wavy glass that look out onto a lovely garden. And behind me, a built-in china cabinet with its original door. All of the doors in this home are the original style with their brass and crystal knobs, a treasure unto themselves. Well, I don't know how you would keep me from spending my entire day opening and closing these original pocket doors with their original brass hardware, but I would like to come in them and spend some time in this amazing gentleman's parlor. Again, gorgeous coffered ceiling of tiger oak and the bishop's board that runs the entire perimeter of the room. You can't get tiger oak anymore, so that alone makes this house worth the asking price. Here we are in the upstairs vestibule. I cannot get over the use of this beautiful tiger oak. You can't get it anymore, so the fact that it's throughout this house is absolutely priceless. On this side of the vestibule, you have an entryway onto an upstairs balcony. And this direction, we have all of the bedrooms. Here we are in the main bedroom, a lovely spacious room, again with these oversized solid wood doors with their crystal original doorknobs. And of course, a large bath. Take a look at this beautiful bathroom. Off of the main bedroom is a huge walk-in closet. Here we have the secondary bedroom. I cannot get over the height of these doors and the height at which all of the knobs are placed. They're absolutely masterpieces. This is what you don't get in new construction, the small touches that make these homes each one of a kind. Here we have the upstairs guest bath with its clawfoot tub, period style sink, and built-in behind the door. And the third bedroom that is being currently utilized as a sewing and crafts room, which I think is an absolutely splendid use for it, off of which is the original sleeping porch. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Arthur C. Decker home, built in 1911, an absolute arts and crafts masterpiece. This home is on the market for $339,000. And if you think you might be its next caretaker, check the description for the listing and the Realtor contact information. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.